All right, so today we're going to show you how to use the Rexbiti pop rivet maker. And what it does is it puts this in there and it squeezes it, and then you can screw in. So here's my situation. This is one of my hurricane bars that go across, and up on top I'm supposed to screw it in. But as you can see, this hole is, there's no threads on it, so I can't do that. So what I've got to do is I've got to put this in there, and we're going to rivet it, and then we'll have our little screw, and we're going to use this as our new connector. So that's what we're going to do today. First I got to drill this out, and I've got to get it to about that diameter right there. So again, you can see here, this is all no longer will work. So we're going to try to get this one so it works in there by putting this rivet in right here. But I've got to get it drilled out to about so that it'll fit in there nice and tight. So what we've got to do is we've got to get the drill that is close to that. So let's take a look and see what we got here. This one's almost there. And that is already the size that I've got in there. So that one won't work. And this one is what we're going to need to get it through there. So we've got to try to drill that out with this. So anyway, take our drill, pull out this bit, put this baby in there, put it to forward, tighten her down, pull this baby back, and see if we can get her drilled. All right, because we're working with metal, I got my mask and a face shield. Last thing you want is a sliver of steel in your eye. Let's see how close we are. Let's ream it a little bit more. That's got to be it. I mean, look how big the hole is now. Should fit in there. Okay, we're good. All right, fits. Now before we fool around with this stuff, I'm going to vacuum up all this steel. It's not steel, it's aluminum. All right, looks good. My trusty Dyson. Okay, so this is a 6mm, and what we've done is we reamed this out so that it'll fit in there. And now we've got to get our thingamabob out like this, and we're going to extend it all the way out, and then we're going to put it right in there. That's what we're going to do. So just like that. So first we get her out like this. It's got to go on like this. I'm screwing it on. That's that. And then I'll put it inside here like that. Just like that. And this is you gotta squeeze this together. So I'm gonna have to do it like this. So I'm gonna set this over here. I'm going to get in it like this, and then use both arms and pull as hard as I can. Okay. I think that's it. Now I just got to screw this off. There we go. You turn this right here, and then screws. Turning this, it's unscrewing. Almost there. Bam, done. All right, now we got our new pieces in there. That's it. Everything worked good. Now I can just screw my screw in and it's ready to go. And we just fixed that. No longer do we have a problem with it. See? It's in there good. So that's how you use that. Very simple. So everybody can see. You open it up, right? You screw your little piece on. Then you gotta man it. You gotta be a man. You gotta man it up. Squeeze it because it's tight. Then you can pull this back, get in here, and you just turn it. If you notice, this is turning and unscrewing. And then to screw it back in, you go that way. So that's how you get it in and out. You can see it right here. Otherwise, it's stuck in there. All right, so that's it. Now they have a number of different sizes. That was a 6 mil. But I've also got all of these various sizes. Or, you know, these are bigger. That was the smallest one. There's another one. 10 mil. 3 mil. This comes in a cool case. And it's got different heads. And it's got a bunch of different heads for different sizes. And as I said, I've got the smallest one on there, which was the 6. And that's what we used on this. And you can see it right there. All right, we fixed it. And that will solve our problems. Or if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on tools and stuff.